In this video, we'll have a look at the concept of using a write-in product on the sales order line. I'm in the application here. Let's go and create a new sales order. So I'm going to do this manually. Now, the reason for having a look at this write-in product is that you can use this in the transformation if you don't have an actual product, but therefore you want to make sure you bring the order in, and therefore you can deal with the order if the product number is wrong. So let's put in our sample order, for example, and I'm just going to pick my customer, and we'll pick a price list, for example. Now I'll save my order header and we'll come down to the lines here. So we'll add a product. Now if we have a look at the menu that's displayed when the product comes up, you'll see that we can specify an existing product, and in which case we can look up all of the products that exist in the catalog if we've cataloged them. But if I don't have an existing product, then I can simply write in X500 whatever the product is or description that I might be specifying for the product that I want to purchase. So essentially a free text line that you can specify. So you can put in the price if needed, and other attributes, but essentially you've got the ability to use that free text. Now this is important because in some cases we may not have a product code, or you want to make sure that you can take orders in, especially when you get customers that might order products that you can source from another manufacturer. So you just want them to specify that manufacturer's part number, and then you'll go and source them and order that product. And so in which case you can use the write-in product to make sure that the order gets in, gets saved, and then when you have an orchestration, you can flag that to the customer service team to go and follow up on that order for sourcing purposes, for example. So that's our product in there, for example. And again, the main thing here is that we don't have to catalog the existing products already. We can simply bring the order in and use the write-in product as part of the transformation on the provider. So you can map this in the transformation on the providers. Now this is also important if you just want to pass the order through, and in which case you don't want to catalog all the products. You know that the source system has got the right product codes, the destination system is got the right product codes. We don't really need to validate them as they pass through order management, and so therefore you can just take the order and pass that order through with the write-in product, for example. So that's a quick look at the concept of a write-in product on a sales order. Dynamics 365 Intelligent Order Management is a new application in the family of Dynamics 365 applications, built on the Microsoft Power Platform running on the Microsoft Azure Cloud. To learn more about Dynamics 365 Intelligent Order Management, visit our community site, documentation site, marketing site, or our blog at these links.